Alright, so this is the Neo na electric bike ng Hatasu. Ito yung kanyang instrumentation panel. Alright, sakto siya pwedeng pang isahan, pwedeng pang dalawahan. Meron siyang pillion seat. Equipped siya ng may akasan. Ito yung kanyang, I'm assuming, the battery. Decent enough na leg room for single. Tapos equipped with drum brake. Not bad because hindi naman natin kailangan ng mga matitinding brakes dito. Ang top speed nito is 25. It could get you 40 to 50 kilometers of travel, meaning kung halimbawa taga Bacoor ka or anywhere in Cavite and opisina mo Makati, aabot naman. Its charging time is 6 to 8 hours, meaning overnight ka magcha-charge para magamit mo ng full charge itong bike na to. Alright, may basket. So, kung kailangan mo maglagay ng gamit. And in fact, I'm sure pwede mong i-customize to para magkaroon ng top box or kung ano-anong lalagyan. Side mirrors, then the controls, the brakes. So, that's the Hatasu Nero. Ako gusto ko nito. Sana magkaroon ako nito. Alright.